Hi people, welcome back to my channel. This is vlog 003, the third vlog of 45 vlogs of mine, which I'm going to be posting as in I will be creating everything daily as well. The 45 vlogs which I'll be doing till 2022 starts for every day. So today I'll be making a clay jewelry plate. Clay jewelry plate. Yeah, clay jewelry plate. Yeah, that's right. So let's get to the video. So actually, I'm going to be making this from homemade clay, and this is like a recap of my previous video, which this is like the second vlog of this 45 vlog series. So I'll be attaching the link to that video in the top corner and down below in the description as well. From that you all can see how to make them. And as I'm going to be making a circular jewelry plate only, I'm making like this. I cut off a circle, then I roll the corner edge like thing, and I fixed it up. That was almost it, and this is like the painting process. Yeah, as you all can see, I used green because green is like my color of my aura. And don't mind the rest, I was making more stuff from clay as well, so even those things are there. I painted all of those together. And actually, huge shout out goes to my sister. She was the one who was painting this. Actually, I was painting some other stuff. So if this looks good, it's all thanks to her. I'll attach the link to her YouTube channel as well. You all can subscribe to her channel. Her channel link also will be attached down below in the description of my YouTube channel. Like, not my YouTube channel, I mean attached down below in the description of this video, and I attach the link to her channel in the top right corner of this video as well right now. Maybe, yeah, I can't be sure at the time, but like within the process of this, you all will be able to see it. I don't think it's pretty much confusing to make it. Actually, after this you can either bake it. I have baked it, but I baked it after storing it for 48 hours. You can store it for 48 hours as well, but I had too much water in the mixture, so it took me so long to dry it. That's why I had to bake it as well. But if you are baking it, it won't take even half an hour. Also, if you want like the recipe for this clay thing, you all can watch the video to how to make DIY homemade clay. As I mentioned before, I'll be adding the link to that in the top right corner and down below in the description as well. Oops, you are getting a sneak peek of one of the clay rings. I will I will try to, maybe most probably, oops, you are getting, yeah, I will post a video of making that other jewelry tray and clay rings as well. So this is almost it. The clay plate is done. It's kind of like popped up because it was baked and like it got puffed up. I'm going to put it down because if I like put it down, it's gonna make a hole. So you can see it's already done. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you all create it, don't forget to tag me in Instagram if you all are posting any pictures, and don't forget to follow my personal Instagram account and my design page and my craft page as well, all in Instagram. And what was I going to say? If you all have any issues about this, you all can drop it down in the comment section, or you all can message me to any of my Instagram pages, like any out of these three. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a nice week. Not week, have a nice day, because I'm gonna come back tomorrow as well. Stay safe and take care. Love you all. Bye bye.